Good evening, everyone. It's a great privilege and honor for me to stand before the eminent personalities, dignitaries of the dais, and all the lecturers and presenters from various different degree colleges to this two-day national seminar on recent advances in physics and mathematics, abbreviated as RAPM 2024. Scheduled on 19th and 20th April 2024. I welcome you all on behalf of both the departments of Physics and Mathematics of Vivekananda Government Degree College, and on behalf of our beloved principal, Dr. G. Sukanya Garu, I welcome you all to this valedictory session. On this occasion, I welcome our beloved chief guest of today's valedictory session, Seminar Chairperson, Dr. G. Sukanya Garu, Principal, Vivekananda Government Degree College, to come on to the dais. Thank you so much. May I now invite the chief guest of today's function, Professor G. Yadgiri Garu, Joint Director, CCE, Telangana State. Thank you so much, sir. May I also take this opportunity to invite beloved respected Professor D. S. R. Rajendra Singh Garu, Joint Director, CCE, Telangana. I take this opportunity to invite the guest of honor of today's valedictory session, Professor M. Prasad Garu, onto the dais. BOA Electronics Technology University. I also take this opportunity to invite the seminar of this valedictory functions, the conveners, Dr. J. Chinubabu Garu, onto the dais, in charge Department of Physics. I also take the opportunity to invite Dr. D. Malishwari, convener, Department of Mathematics. Thank you so much for taking the seats, ma'am. With the permission of the chair, may I start this valedictory session, ma'am? Thank you so much for giving the permission to start. Thank you once again. It gives me an immense pleasure and abundant, what do I say? It's a pleasure for everyone, both for Department of Mathematics as well as Department of Physics, for organizing a prestigious two-day national seminar on recent advances in physics and mathematics. All this we could have done only with the help of our beloved principal, Dr. G. Sukanya Garu, who was backbone and who has constantly encouraged our department, both the departments, to encourage and conduct this two-day national seminar. I also thank all the participants from various degree colleges as well as aided colleges and as private colleges also to this valedictory session. Welcome you all once again on behalf of Vivekananda Government Degree College. Thank you. Now may I request our principal, Dr. G. Sukanya Garu, to present a bouquet to the chief guest, beloved Professor G. Yadgiri Garu. Thank you so much, ma'am. May I invite Dr. Anita Abraham Garu, Vice Principal, Vivekananda Government Degree College, to present a fruit bouquet to our chief guest, Professor D. S. R. Rajendra Singh Garu. Thank you so much, ma'am, for honoring. May I request ACO Academic Coordinator S. Nirmala Garu to present a fruit bouquet to the guest of honor, Professor M. Prasad Garu. Assistant Professor of Chemistry, VGDC, to present a bouquet to the convener of today's function, Chinababu garu. I request IQAC Coordinator Garu, Bangla Bharti Madam, to present a bouquet to our beloved principal, seminar chairperson, G. Sukanya garu. Thank you so much, Coach. Now may I invite Dr. A. Tirupati garu to present a fruit bouquet. So may I invite Kishore sir, in charge Department of Commerce, to present a fruit bouquet to convener Department of Mathematics, Dr. D. Malishwari. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for doing the honor. Now may I request all the dignitaries on the dais. Okay. Now may I request our conveners of today's valedictory session, that is seminar, Dr. J. Chinababu garu, to present the report on behalf of Department of Physics.
Good afternoon, everyone. Our beloved principal madam, president of today's function, Dr. G. Sukanya madam. Our chief guest from CCE, joint director, Professor G. Yadagiri sir, and another joint director, Dr. B.S. Rajendra Singh sir. Our today's guest of honor, Professor M. Prasad sir, Board of Studies in Electronics, Department of Physics, and Vice Principal, IQAC Coordinator, Academic Coordinator, and another convener, Dr. Malishwari Madam, faculty, their participants, delegates, and research scholars, and my dear students. It gives me immense pleasure to stand before you for organizing this 2 days national seminar. Sir, this seminar was sponsored by Telangana State Council of Higher Education, and we have planned for 2 days for interdisciplinary seminar, mathematics and physics. We conducted inaugural and valedictory session in one place, and another technical session in parallel sessions in room number 1 for physics and room number 13 mathematics. So we invited eminent personalities from Usmania University and JNTU, Professor Suresh Sripada, and keynote speaker from Andhra Pradesh CCE, joint director and well-known researcher, among top 2% of worldwide researchers, Dr. P. Babu sir gave a keynote speech, and from ARCI, Dr. K. Suresh, scientist, we invited for the invited talk, and different parts of this country, not only from Telangana and also from Andhra Pradesh, other states, from Karnataka, Bihar, they registered. We have conducted our seminar in blended mode. Some participants gave the presentation in online mode, and for the offline mode, we have conducted the session for offline mode. For that sessions, we invited the chairperson from Usmania University, Dr. G. Upendra, and Dr. M. Srinath Reddy sir chaired the sessions. These 2 days, I thought all the deliberations and discussions are very fruitful and needful at this juncture, because of, as for NEP, there is a need to discuss rather than single discipline. It's interdiscipline in nature is very useful for the students and also academicians, so that we thought it's better to conduct interdisciplinary mode. So I think it was a great success, sir. And also participants from research scholars gave the presentations, offline presentations, and from mathematics department also we invited eminent personalities that will explained by the Malishwari madam. So overall, this seminar gives me personally very happy, and importantly, every faculty member of our department, especially our principal madam, encouraged me a lot, and vice principal madam Anita Hapram madam, Panga madam, Nirmala madam also supported me very lot to conduct this session. Without them, I cannot do all these things. I really great for the stage decoration committee also. Just we gave one circular, sir. So they arranged all the stage, and every faculty took their responsibilities and did very well. They encouraged me, supported me very well. From the bottom of my heart, I thank one and every faculty member who supported me, and although all the participants, even though some glitches, because this seminar we want to make all arrangements, invited talk, souvenir, we prepared the souvenir, and all arrangements, if any lacuna is there, please forgive me. And finally, I congratulate and thank you each and every participant who are part of this 2 days national seminar. And thank you, sir, for from CCE. Even though in spite of their busy schedule, they could not attend at the inaugural session. So just our request, our principal madam request, sir came here even though their busy schedule. We are very much thankful to sir, Yadagi sir and Rajendra Singh sir coming over here for our 2 days national seminar, make this some more beautification for this seminar, and we are very much thankful to you, sir. And also Prasad sir, guest of honor from Device Electronics, is coming here. So we are very thankful to you, sir. Thank you one and all for giving this opportunity.
Thank you so much, Dr. Chinababu Garu. May I now invite convener from Department of Mathematics, Dr. D. Malishwari Garu, to present a brief report on today national seminar.
Good afternoon to one and all. It's my pleasure to give brief report on behalf of Department of Mathematics. First of all, my heartfelt thanks to Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, IQS Coordinator Ma'am, and ACO Ma'am, and to all faculty members, students especially. They involved completely and they did their level best, and teaching and non-teaching staff. Otherwise, we can't do this. On behalf of Department of Mathematics, we arranged 4 invited talks from eminent persons of different universities like our parent university, Osmania University, Sri Padmavati Mahila University, Sri Krishna Deva Raya University. They given elaborated with different applications of mathematics in real world life, and also participants from various colleges presented their papers online and offline. All these things made this seminar successfully. Thank you to one and all by giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. On this occasion, may I put it in front of you that we, the Department of Physics and Mathematics, comprising of 5 members as a team. Dr. J. Chinababu Garu, convener from Physics, co-convener myself, B.B. Nirmala, Associate Professor. From Department of Mathematics, it is Dr. D. Malishwari, convener, and co-convener L. Vishnu Priya ma'am, and very little youngster S. Sirisha sir. We, the team members of 5 members, could make this, arrange the entire seminar only with the help of our beloved principal and entire college. Thank you once again. Thank you so much all the staff members for being with us, pushing us in front of in all the needs that we required. Thank you so much. Now on this occasion, may I invite and request our beloved principal, Dr. G. Sukanya Garu, to present her opening remarks. Thank you.
వేదికను అలంకరించినటువంటి ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి చేసినటువంటి జాయింట్ డైరెక్టర్ యాదగిరి గారు అండ్ రాజేంద్ర గారు అండ్ ఈనాటి ప్రసాద్ నుంచి చేసినటువంటి ప్రసాద్ గారికి మరియు ఈ కార్యక్రమ నిర్వాహకులైనటువంటి చంద్రబాబు గారికి మరియు మల్లేశ్వర్ గారికి మరి ముందున్నటువంటి వైస్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ మేడం అండ్ బంగ్లా మేడం అండ్ ఏసీఓ నిర్మలా మేడం అధ్యాపక బృందానికి వివిధ కళాశాల నుంచి విచ్చేసి అనేక మంది పెద్ద సమర్పకులైనటువంటి అధ్యాపక బృందానికి మరి రీసెర్చ్ స్కాలర్స్ మరియు విద్యార్థులందరికీ కూడా నా యొక్క ఆశీస్సులు తెలియజేస్తూ వేదిక మీద ఉన్నటువంటి పెద్దలందరికీ కూడా నా యొక్క నమస్కారం. ఈ 2 రోజుల కార్యక్రమము చాలా జయప్రదంగా జరిగింది కళాశాలలో. దానికి మనస్ఫూర్తిగా నేను చంద్రబాబు గారిని మల్లేశ్వరిని అభినందిస్తున్నాను. ఫిజిక్స్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్లో కానివ్వండి, మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్లో కానివ్వండి, రీసెంట్ అడ్వాన్సెస్ ఏంటి అనేది పత్ర సమర్పకుల యొక్క అర్థాలే కాకుండా జనరల్గా కొంచెం తెలిసిన విషయం ఏంటంటే భౌతిక శాస్త్రంలో మనం చూస్తూ ఉంటాము. ప్రకృతితో మమేకమైనటువంటి అనేక విషయాన్ని భౌతిక శాస్త్రమే మనకు వివరిస్తుంది. వర్షం పడినా, మెరుపు మెరిసిన, లైట్ వెలిగిన, ఇవన్నీ కూడా మనం మమేకమై ఉన్నాము. ఈనాటి కార్యక్రమంలో నిన్న కరుణాస్ గారు ఆయన చెప్పింది ఏంటంటే చర్మం కూడా తయారవుతుంది. అంటే మామూలుగా అంటే భౌతిక శాస్త్రంలో ఈ చర్మాన్ని కూడా తయారు చేస్తున్నారు. మనిషి యొక్క గుండె తీసి కృత్రిమమైన గుండెతో మనిషిని నడిపిస్తున్నటువంటి కాలంలో మనం నివసిస్తున్నాము. చీపులు పట్టుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, రోబోతో మనం ఇల్లంతా ఉడిపించేస్తున్నాము. అంటే అలాంటి మిషన్స్తో మనం ఏమవుతున్నాము. రిలేషన్స్ కూడా ఎట్లా ఉంటాయి తెలియదేమో అనిపిస్తుంది, ఒక్కసారి భయం ఇస్తుంది. కొన్ని సినిమాలో చూశాను, రోబోనే మాట్లాడుతుంది, రోబోనే మాత్రలు ఇస్తుంది, రోబోని ఎందుకు నీరసంగా ఉన్నామని అడుగుతుంది. అంటే ఆ రిలేషన్స్ కూడా మన మనుషులు మనతో మాట్లాడుతూ మనం ఇవన్నీ కూడా ప్రకృతితో పాటు మన మనుషుల మేధస్సు పెరిగిపోతుంది. ఇటువంటి కాలంలోనే కాకుండా ఇటువంటి మంచి సెమినార్ అంటే మనం ఇంటర్ డిసిప్లిన్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ అండ్ ఫిజిక్స్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ మమేకమై చేసినటువంటి సెమినార్ చాలా అభినందనీయము. ఇందులో మీరు అనేక విషయాలు రీసెంట్ అడ్వాన్సెస్ అనేకం తెలుసుకుని ఉన్నారు అని అనుకుంటున్నాను. అంతేకాకుండా విద్యార్థుల యొక్క నైపుణ్యాలు కూడా చాలా పెరుగుతూ ఉన్నాయి. అంటే వాళ్ళ ఆలోచన సెల్ ఫోనే కాదు, మీరు బుక్స్ని పట్టుకోండి చాలు, బుక్స్తో మీరు ఏకమవ్వండి. మనము సెల్ ఫోన్తో అంతా ప్రపంచాన్ని చూస్తున్నాము, కానీ సెల్ ఫోన్తో చూసింది వెంటనే మర్చిపోయే ఛాన్సెస్ చాలా ఉన్నాయి. బుక్కులు అయితే పట్టుకున్నట్లయితే, బుక్కును చదివినట్లయితే అక్షర జ్ఞానం అనేది ఎప్పుడూ మెదడులో నిలిచిపోతుంది. సో ఈ యొక్క జ్ఞానాన్ని మీరు పెంపొందించుకొని ఈ యొక్క ప్రకృతితో మమేకమైపోయి ఈ ఫిజిక్స్ టెక్నాలజీ ఏదైనా కానీ టెక్నాలజీతో మీరు మమేకమని కాదని అంటారు. కానీ మనం చేస్తున్న పని లోపల మన క్రమశిక్షణ, మన యొక్క పురోభివృద్ధి అనేది కలగాలి. కాబట్టి అభివృద్ధి అనేది ఏ విధంగా తీసుకువెళ్ళాలి అనేది మీది మేధా సంపత్తితోనే అది సాధ్యపడుతుంది. ఈ పత్రాన్ని సమర్పించి రీసెర్చ్ స్కాలర్స్ కొంతమంది యోయూ నుంచి వచ్చిన స్టూడెంట్సే కాదు, వివిధ కళాశాల నుంచి అనేక మంది స్టూడెంట్స్ పేపర్స్ కూడా సబ్మిట్ చేశారు. సో చాలామంది వచ్చారు కళాశాలకు. ఈ సమయంలో మనము ఇనాగ్రల్ సెషన్కి సార్ వాళ్ళు లేకపోవడం కొంచెం అంటే అనివార్య కారణాల వల్ల రాలేకపోయినందుకు కూడా మనం కొంచెం బాధపడ్డాను. కానీ ర్యాలీకి వెళ్ళి వచ్చినందుకు చాలా సంతోషం వేసింది. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ సార్. మీరు మా యొక్క ఆహ్వానాన్ని మన్నించి కనీసం ర్యాలీకి కూడా మాకు వచ్చేసి మా కళాశాలని మీరు ముందుకు నడుపుతూ మీ యొక్క ఐడియాస్ని, మీ యొక్క గైడెన్స్ని మాకు పంచాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. అదేవిధంగా ప్రసాద్ గారు కూడా ఈరోజు రావడం చాలా విశేషంగా ఉంది. సార్ యొక్క ఐడియాస్ కూడా మనము ఇప్పుడు కొంచెం ఏమైనా గైడ్ చేసినట్లయితే మనం ఆలోచనలు తీసుకుందాము. ఈ సెమినార్ అనేది వివేకానంద కళాశాలలో తెలంగాణ స్టేట్ కౌన్సిల్ యొక్క సౌజన్యంతో జరిగింది. సో మనకు సపోర్ట్ ఇచ్చినటువంటి లింబాద్రి గారికి మరియు మనకు పక్కన నిల్చొని ఈ సెమినార్ని నడిపించాలనే ఉద్దేశంతో మనకు మన ప్రిన్సిపల్ సెక్రటరీ గారు కూడా మనస్ఫూర్తిగా నేను ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తున్నాను సార్. అదేవిధంగా మీరందరూ ఈ కళాశాల విచ్చేసినందుకు మరి ఒకసారి ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తూ నాకు చిన్న అవకాశాన్ని ఇచ్చినటువంటి మీ అందరికీ కూడా తెలియజేస్తూ థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you so much, madam. Your support is remarkable. Thank you once again. Thank you so much. Now, may I request the participants or speakers to share your feedback on this occasion. Now, may I firstly request Dr. Shanmukha Jyoti madam, GDCW Hussaini Alam, to share her feedback.
A very good afternoon to all. Myself, Dr. Shanduki Jyoti from Government Degree College, Hussainiyanam, Hyderabad. Very good afternoon, Principal Madam Subhanya Garu and JD Sir, Yadgiri Sir, Rajendra Singh Sir, and Department of Physics Head Nawab Sir and Manishwari Madam, and Board of Studies in Electronics in Osmania University, Professor M. Prasad. This was a remarkable innovation and a remarkable trend in taking the subject of physics and mathematics in an interdisciplinary way and conducting a seminar, and that too a national seminar is really a remarkable note on this. So to start with, yesterday we started the sessions. The first lecture on the first day was by Dr. P. Babu, RJD from CCAP, whose lecture was on spectroscopic and upconversion properties of holmium and yttrium codoped oxyfluoride glass and glass ceramics. He focused on the future of glass ceramics. And the second lecture was followed by Professor C.P. Vardhani Madam, which was on challenges in nanotechnology and power in physics. It was an interesting lecture, and most of the students got a lot of enthusiasm in hearing to that lecture, which are the advances in nanotechnology. And there were some offline and online presentations also. And today the lectures were started with magnetic resonance and ferromagnetic and ferroelectric heterostructures for low power consumption device applications, which focused on the heterostructures of ferromagnetism by Dr. G. Venkatesh Garu. The second lecture was on technical advances in telluride-based glasses and glass ceramic materials by Dr. Suresh Sripada Sir from JNTU, Hyderabad, and he focused on the glass ceramics and explained about the future in glasses. And the last session was focused on the advanced permanent magnets, which was from Dr. Suresh Garu from ARCI. He focused on the applications of permanent magnets, as well as he gave some ideas how small magnets can be reinvented, how to make permanent magnets from the regular magnets as well. These were the sessions with which all the research scholars and some paper presenters, they learned some advances in the subject, and we had a very depth knowledge of all the subjects here. And from my personal behalf and from the participants' behalf, I thank the management, the principal, RJD sir, JD sir, and all the faculty members of Vivekananda College who have organized such a beautiful 2-day seminar, which was really a grand success. Provided if we get any other chance, we will also definitely invite all the participants, and particularly Vivekananda Degree College, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, madam, for your wonderful words. Thank you. It's a boosting for us, so that we can organize not only a national, next time it will be an international seminar from on behalf of the Vivekananda College. Thank you so much. Now may I invite Dr. T. Sharda Madam from GDC W. Begumpet to share her views.
Good evening all. Respected dignitaries on the dais, Professor Yadgiri sir, JD sir, Professor Rajendra Singh sir, Sukanya Madam, and Prasad sir from Osmania University, and conveners of the departments, Mathematics Department and Physics Department, and my dear students. First of all, I would like to congratulate both the departments, Department of Mathematics and Department of Physics, for conducting such a wonderful interdisciplinary national seminar on recent advances in physics and mathematics. Sir, we had 4 invited talks. One in number theory, that is applications in cryptography, by Dr. V. Srinivas from Osmania University, and one in graph theory, and that is the role of graph theory in chemistry, that is real life applications in mathematics, by Shiva Parvati Madam from Sri Padmavati Mahila Vishwavidyalaya. And another one is applications and advances of mathematics in science and technology by Osmania University Professor Dr. Phanindra, and semi-groups and applications by Professor Shobhalata Madam from SK University, Sri Krishnadevaraya University, Anantapuram. Sir, all these are very useful to research scholars and research associates for the further recent trends in mathematics as well as physics. Sir, this type of seminars develop a thinking process and knowledge in students to do research, sir. So I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the principal ma'am, Sukanya Madam, Vivekananda Degree College and Department of Mathematics and Department of Physics. Thank you one and all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shata ma'am. Now may I invite Miss S. Shirisha, BSc second year student, Sindhuja second year student from St. Francis Degree College to share her views.
Good evening everyone, respected dignitaries, conveners and all the audience and participants present here. I'm really glad to be presenting the feedback on the two-day national seminar on recent advancements in physics and mathematics. As a scientist, as a student of science, I think it is really essential to keep up with the trends that have been going on in our respective fields. To say the least, the presentations were insightful. They were really enriching experience, and it was really inspiring to see people, research scholars, talk about their works passionately. And most of all, I think the most fun part of the seminars that I've attended was they were not just person to audience talk, but they were quite interactive, which was what made it even more interesting, even more fun. The topics that I've attended in mathematics and physics not only clarified my doubts, not only cleared any clouds that I had in mind, but also made me got me interested in several other topics. And the best part about this seminar was that it provided me with a stage where I can go and talk about the subject that I am interested in. I would really like to thank the dignitaries, the event organizers for hosting this event, and I really hope that we'll meet again in the future with more seminars like this.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Sindhuja, thank you so much. Not only these seminars, all the sessions, not only they were informative, they were very interesting too. And they were resourceful and they were knowledgeable also. I hope all the participants enjoyed taking up the knowledge. Take away from this seminar is the resources that we have received. Thank you so much on behalf of all the participants for sharing your views. Now may I invite our beloved Vice Principal Madam, Dr. Anita Abraham Garu to share her views.
Good afternoon, everybody. Respected Principal, Dr. Sukanya Garu, JD, Yadagiri Garu sir, RJD sir, Rajendra Prasad sir, Prasad Garu, BOS, Department of Electronics, my colleagues, Dr. Chinnababu and Maleshwari, who are conveners, and the big five. I also include Vijay Lakshmi ma'am, Vijay Nirmala ma'am and Vishnu Priya and Little Sri Devi. They were instrumental in organizing the first national seminar in our college in a span of 8 years. 8 years, yeah. So ever since we came in 18, we've been planning and replanning. Then we had COVID, and every general staff meeting and staff council meeting that we have, on the agenda we have a national seminar. And for the last 5 years we've been thinking about it, and finally it had to be the Department of Physics and the Department of Mathematics, and on behalf of the entire faculty, Principal Madam and the entire faculty of VGDC, I thank the Department of Physics and Mathematics for taking the initiative, and I hope it is just the beginning of better things to come. That, like Vijay Nirmala said, we'll have international seminars in the future and more national seminars from other departments. We've all witnessed how hard the five of them have worked over the last 6 months to put in, the 2-day seminar together for raising funds, getting the whole thing organized. And we work as a team, and that's why we got an A for NAC. And again, we have proved that we are a wonderful team at PGDC, because the 2-day seminar, though I belong to the Department of English, I could make out that it was a grand success, and from the feedback of the participant, it is obvious that the 2-day deliberation was fruitful, and everybody has something to take away from the seminar. So we thank the State Council for providing the funds, because there's a paucity of funds in government colleges, and JD sir and RJD sir for facilitating it. Our commissioner who we hoped would be able to attend the inaugural but could not, but sir's support is always there, and his representatives are here for the valedictory, so it's nice that sir you all could come. And I thank all the participants for being so patient, and whatever little glitches and all were happening, I hope it is there in the feedback, and the next time you come to PGDC for a seminar, we'll make sure none of that happens. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your encouraging words. Thank you once again. Now may I invite guest of honor of today's valedictory function, Prasad Garu, Professor M. Prasad Garu, to share her.
Dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, delegates, teachers from the college, participants and students, very good evening to all. I am happy to know that Vivekananda Government Degree College has conducted a two-day interdisciplinary national seminar on recent advances in physics and mathematics. Firstly, I congratulate the convener Chinababu and other teachers of both physics and mathematics departments, including principal, who have initiated this kind of seminar for the benefit of UG students, research scholars and PG faculty. I feel that these kinds of platforms are required to researchers to showcase their research finding the emerging areas. I learned that the deliberations by the various eminent speakers on various fields of physics and maths would be helpful for the participants. I wish you the college to conduct many such seminars in the near future. I thank both conveners, physics and mathematics, and organizers for giving the opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful words and kind words. Now may I request Chief Guest of today's function, Professor D.S.R. Rajendra Singh Garu, Joint Director, CCE, Telangana State, to share a few words.
Very good evening to all. Respected dignitaries on the dais, my friend, colleague, Professor G. Yadagiri Garu, Joint Director, Collegiate Education, and the principal, chairperson, and as well as the chief patron, I think, of the seminar, and Professor Prasad Garu, VOS Chairman, Department of Electronics in the Department of Physics, and the conveners, both conveners of the seminar, Dr. Chinababu Garu and Madam Malleshwari, Dr. Malleshwari Garu, the Vice Principal of the college, all the in charge departments of the college, the participants of the college, those who came from the various places of the degree colleges, university, the other allied research organizations. I am very happy on behalf of Commissioner Collegiate Education, the Government Degree College, Vivekananda Government Degree College is organized one of the very important, beautiful topic which is going to be correlating with the physics and as well as the mathematics. The recent trends in the physics and mathematics, the interdisciplinary subject they have selected, and almost on 2 days they have been participating in the various aspects related to the recent trends the physics and as well as the mathematics. These are the very important subjects which, as the principal madam just now told that, because as the speakers are regularly telling us related to the whatever the modern trends which we are going to be observing nowadays, like international, like the artificial intelligence, the nanotechnology, the optic fiber technology which is going to be nowadays, you are going to be enjoying the mobiles and as well as the information technology related to the medical treatment. Majority of the medical treatments we are going to be totally using this fiber optics. The fiber optics are the active instruments. Even though I belongs to botany, I know little amount of the physics. Why I am telling, the treatment of endoscopy, treatment of the different types of the diseases, nowadays because of the characters of the total internal reflection, the fiber optics are extensively using for the giving of the medical treatments. Like superconductivity, where we are going to be observing, like the important countries like Japan, the Korea, the important technological countries where they are going to be producing those super fast trains, super fast transport system, and whatnot. All these types of the important aspects where we are going to be seeing. The mathematics is also one of the very important topic which is having very much correlated with the physics and mathematics. Nowadays, around the world, the ISRO is one of the very important topmost research institute where globally we got recognized by the research which we are going to be involving in it. The achievements which we are going to be taking part. Why I am telling, the young researchers, you have to think it related to such type of the placements into the such type of the institutes, such type of the research organizations. Because why I am telling, you should have, when you are going to be exposing, when you are going to be interacting, when you are going to be participating, the important seminars like these seminars. This is one of the very important dayas where we can involve, where we can evolve, where we can share our views. Like that, it is one of the very great opportunity. Madam is saying after 8 years we are going to be in a position to conduct a national seminar. Shortly, definitely, this academic year, you are going to be got the autonomy. 23, 24, 25 year is autonomic year, autonomic college. Autonomous college is nothing but it is a mini university. Why I am telling the other faculty to come forward to submit such type of the proposals for the, even there are so many research organizations like DBT, Department of Biotechnology, Department of Science and Technology, like ICSSR, like other social sciences organizations are ready to sponsor, ready to give grants. Apply for the projects, apply for the seminars, apply for the symposia. Why can't we? Because we are also getting all the designations like assistant professor, associate professor and professor. Because almost all on par with the university, we have to establish, we have to recognize, we have to, because establishment of our contribution towards the research is much more. Nowadays, the major colleges are also going to be, no doubt, we are getting the good grade even in the NAC. Some of the colleges we are going to be losing the grading because of the research, because of the publication, because of the not conducting of such type of the seminars. I am very much happy to midst of you. I am congratulating the principal, the organizing team, where they are going to be, because almost all the organizing committee, because you are taking one very important task, you are going to be finishing in a successful manner. It is a coordination, whatever it may be, either it may be economics, either it may be commerce, either it may be the social sciences, wherever, whenever we are conducting such type of the seminars, we have to be divide the work, we will conduct it, and successfully, I wish you conduct in future definitely international seminars. The other faculty members are also come forward. Whatever the grant they will give about the grant. They may give 50,000 or 40,000 or 30,000. Grant is not important. Automatically, when you are going to be coming forward, the other forces, the other sources will come out. And it is a great opportunity because why I am telling the Chinna Babu, he called his teacher Babu. He was our colleague, old colleague. Now he is a joint director, RJDS at Kadapa. Why he came? Because why I am telling, because almost all, myself, even Adgiri sir, almost all we published 30 papers, 10 books. I published nearly 10 books. Why I am telling, once you are going to be entering into the administration, your research, whatever desires you have, that are going to be almost all minimizing. This is the right time. The young researchers, young staff members, I am appealing you, I am telling you, apply the sources, apply the organizations for conducting some such type of the seminars, national and international seminars, because this is the good IAS where we can invite our professors, beloved professors and other the colleagues, where we are going to be sharing, where we are going to be, because why beautiful message she gave, because she is studying in the degree, because the degree is one of the very important stage where the students are also going to be getting motivated to conducting of such type of the seminars, right? So that with this I don't want to take much your time, because almost all for last yesterday and today also you have the hectic task. So that with this I am congratulating all the participants, all the principal and as well as the staff members of Government Degree College, Vivekananda Degree College. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your kind words and encouraging us and boosting us. Thank you so much. May I now request and invite our beloved Professor G. Adgiri Garu, Joint Director, CCE, to share his views. Thank you.
Good evening, all of you. President of this function, bilateral function, Dr. J. Supenya Garu, and my colleague, Professor Sir Rajendra Singh, and Prasad Garu, Professor Prasad Garu, BYS, Osmania University, Chinna Babu, convener of this seminar, and Dr. Malleshwari, Vijay Nirmala, Vice Principal, IPC Coordinator, Academic Coordinator, and other faculty members of this college. And at the outset, I congratulate and appreciate all the presenters who presented in this seminar in connection with recent advances in physics and mathematics. We have conducted with the help of all the staff members and participants, successfully organized this 2-day seminar. I thank once again all the faculty members, including in the hall. I thank all the cooperation of all the members of in this room. Last 3-4 months, more number of government degree colleges have conducted number of seminars. January, February, March, till today, I think 50 seminars they have conducted with the help of several organizations, CSIR or ICSR or State Council of Higher Education. It's a great. Our government colleges are doing very well job in research activities and conducting seminars. Other side, our friend already told the research activities, because I explain other side about the government college. We are having 145 government degree colleges in the state now. 15 colleges during this academic year added. Earlier only 130 colleges, earlier 120. Before that, now 145 government degree colleges. Out of 145, more than 90 colleges are accredited with the NAC. 17 colleges, A-grade colleges, in which A++ also there, A+ colleges also there, A-grade colleges are also there. It is a credit goes to government degree colleges staff only. Because of the staff efforts, we could able to get this type of grades in government degree college. In government degree, as per the report, the statistics shows that 400 and above faculty members have achieved PhD degrees, PhD, doctoral degrees. Only we are having 1500 staff. Recently, some of them regularized. Out of 1500, 400, some of them are guiding research also in our state. Research centers also accredited by some of the universities. They have all the colleges, most of the autonomous colleges are conducting several seminars. Every day we are receiving one seminar brochure. The day before yesterday, every day we are getting one seminar brochure from different colleges, last 3 months. So that I appreciate who presented in this seminar with regard to physics and mathematics. Malishwar also worked there in Begumpet and Vijayademala, and some of the faculty members also there when I was principal at Begumpet also. This type of activity is very much needed in government degree college. When admissions, we take admissions report, 6,50,000 students are studying undergraduate courses. We are having 1,093, all colleges, including government, residential, private, everything, university college, 1,093. Out of 1,093, 145 are government college. In government colleges, 1,50,000 students are studying. Our share is 25%. Only 130, only 15 new colleges are there. We are sharing in out of 6,50,000, we are 150, means 1/4. 25% of the students are studying in government degree college. Most of them are backward classes, SC, ST, minority. Only 10-15% are the other castes only. So that government is providing free education to all the students to utilize this service. This college earlier only social science and I think BA and BCom. Now BA, BCom, BSc also there. Shortly they are going to introduce PG also next year. We got autonomous status from already UGC has given, university also not given. Next year onwards we are going to start autonomous college. Next year we will get funds from the UGC or internal funds also we can generate. Out of internal fund we conduct seminars, several activities, academic activities as well as developmental activities. With these few words, yesterday we could not come. Sorry for the inconvenience because of a busy schedule. Yesterday morning to 5 up to 5, we association with our principal secretary, we could not attend the inaugural session. Sorry for the inconvenience. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words and encouraging us. Thank you once again. Now it's a time for certificates distribution. May I request all the dignitaries on the dais to present. Due to the shortage of time, we are requesting only few participants to take their certificates. First we start with Dr. D. Shanmukha Jyoti Madam, Associate Professor, GDCW Seniaram, to receive her certificate. Thank you, sir. Now may I request Dr. M. Kiran Mai, Assistant Professor of Physics, Badampet. Now may I request Dr. V. Srinivasa Rao, Assistant Professor of Physics, GDC, Open. Now may I invite Ajay Amede, Assistant Professor of Mathematics. May I invite Dr. C.H. Janagaru, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, GDC, Sherlingampally. May I invite Dr. D. Shata Devi Garu, Associate Professor of Mathematics, GDC, W. Begumpet. May I invite S. Mamata, Department of Mathematics, BJR Government Degree College, Narayanpura. I also invite S. Sindhuja, Department of Mathematics from St. Francis Degree College for Women. I also invite Rani Reddy sir, from the Department of Mathematics. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. May I request the dignitary to take the seat?
How to next chemistry and what target change will
I request the dignitaries to take the seat, please.
is one of the festival.
Now may I request our beloved principal, Dr. G. Sukanya Garu, to present the mementos to our dignitaries. May I request our principal madam to felicitate Professor G. Yadgiri Garu, Chief Guest of today's functions, Joint Director CC, with a memento and the shot. Now may I request our principal madam Garu to felicitate Chief Guest of today's functions, Professor D.S.R. Rajendra Singh Garu, Joint Director CC, Telangana State. I also request our beloved principal madam to felicitate guest of honor of today's function, Professor M. Prasad Garu, the shawl and the memento. On this occasion, I also request all the dignitaries to felicitate our beloved respected Principal Madam Dr. G. Sukanya Garu with a shawl and on this occasion, I also request Ramireddy sir, Garu, who is chairing the sessions for both the offline from Department of Mathematics. I request the dignitaries to felicitate sir also.
to the staff members. Okay, sir.
Thank you all for honoring us. Thank you so much. Now it's time to propose vote of thanks. Now it's a great privilege and honor for me to stand before all the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, participants, all the staff from various degree colleges and students from different colleges and our college, Vivekananda Government Degree College. On this auspicious occasions of our dignitary functions, which we have conducted the two-day national seminar on recent advances in physics and mathematics, I take this opportunity to propose my vote of thanks. To start with, may I propose my heartfelt thanks to today's chief guest, Professor G. Yadagiri Garu, JDCCE, for sparing your valuable time and encouraging us, coming over here. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I also thank our chief guest, Professor D.S.R. Rajan Sringaru, JDCCE, for sparing your valuable time and encouraging us, sir. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you. I also take this opportunity to thank the guest of honor for today's function, Professor M. Prasad Garu, BOS, Board of Studies, Department of Electronics. Thank you so much, sir, for coming over here and gracing the occasion. Thank you. And I also thank our seminar chairperson, Dr. G. Sukanya Garu, for encouraging, boosting us, motivating us for everything, for standing along with us and pushing us to conduct this entire thing. Thank you once again on behalf of Department of Physics and Mathematics. Thank you, ma'am. I also take this opportunity to thank Vice Principal Madam Dr. Anita Abraham Garu, IQAC Coordinator Garu, Bangla Bharti ma'am, ACO, S. Nirmala Madam Garu, and all the senior faculties in charges of all the departments and conveners, both the conveners, Dr. J.C. Chinnababu Garu, Dr. Malishwari Madam, co-conveners, myself, Vijay Nirmal. I am also thanking myself. I thank co-convener of mathematics, L. Vishnu Priya, and little lecturer, Sirisha Man from Department of Mathematics. I also take this opportunity to thank all the staff members who were in and out, who have taken part along with us. It was not looking like that it was the program of Department of Physics and Mathematics. It looked at it as it was a function organized by government, Vivekananda Government Degree College. So I thank all the staff members, including these in charges, including all the staff members and all the Gen staff members who were there with us, participated in attending physics seminars, physics talks. I thank all this. Special thanks to the Gens lecturers and special thanks to the Department of Commerce and Arts who were there in attending and listening all the talks of physics, which was difficult for everyone, but still you made it. Thank you, the Department of Arts, Commerce, Telugu department, English department, and all the departments. And my very special thanks to the computer department who were there with us for helping us in all the technical sessions. Thank you so much. I can't take all the names, but my very special thanks to Department of Computer Science also. I also thank the Departments of Life Sciences, Department of Hindi, and especially the Department of Examination branch also. Whenever we wanted some cirrhosis and all, Madam was kind enough to give us all those things. Thank you so much, Departments of Chemistry, all those things. And my very special thanks to all the little beautiful children, our children, science children, and also the other children of other departments also, who were there with us right from day one to till date. Thank you, children. Thank you so much. May God bless you abundantly. And last but not least, I also thank all the participants from various degree colleges, aided colleges, and private colleges for being a part of this two-day national seminar and giving us your abstracts so that we can make our seminar look very beautiful. It came out very beautiful only because of you. Thank you once again on behalf of Vivekananda Government Degree College. I appreciate everyone. I also thank all the non-teaching staff members who were there, helpful to us in organizing in and out, all the committee members who have helped us in making this seminar a grand success. Thank you once again. If at all I have missed anyone, did I miss anyone? I hope I am not. Okay, my very special thanks to non-teaching staff, Raghavendra, for being a part of this national seminar. Thank you so much. And Govardhan also, Govardhan for giving technical support. Thank you so much. Jengaya, everything? Press and electronics, media, yes. My very special thanks to Krishna Kumar sir for taking us this, all these moments of remembrance, remarkable moments to be published in newspapers. Thank you so much for all the press and media. And my very special thanks to everyone who is present here and not present here, everyone. But thank you so much. May I request everyone to stand up for this.